Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. This video I am going to be showing you how I made this flower wreath. It looks kind of like a rose, I guess. I did this one in the red, white, and blue, and I had so many people that liked it. I'm going to try it in a different color as well to see if that would look just as good. So I'm going to try today purple and silver. Now what you will need is, you can do it all one single color, you can do it two colors, you can do it three colors, whatever. You will need deco mesh, the color of your choice, one of these floral wreath boards. Now Dollar Tree has two different sizes. I know you can get these on Amazon. I don't know the sizes. You can probably get them at Walmart or any craft store like Joann's or Hobby Lobby, wherever like that. But I found these at Dollar Tree, and these are the 15.5-inch boards. But these are, how big are these? I can kind of ballpark it by measuring it here on my little map. If that's an 8, 9, 10, 11. These are probably 11 or 12-inch mats. So I'm going to use this one to make this size. I will show you here in just a second the size that this big one makes. If you have a big door, like this is the way to go. But for $1.25, these boards are like $6 to $10 anywhere else. So you will need, obviously, one of the boards, a cutting mat if you plan to use your rotary cutter, or you could just use scissors to cut your mesh, some wire cutters or side cuts, some zip ties. I use the small zip ties because my fingers don't work the best. You'll see where I use these. You could just pinch these instead of using these size zip ties, but I like them. And larger zip ties. These may be a little bit big, but I think you can get by with the 6-inch zip ties. So I'm going to show you how I do the board to get the board ready before I even start with the mesh. So use my flat side as my outside. So I'm going to go in one and then right beside it I'm going to go back and then tighten it about halfway. Leave me a loop there. Now I don't want to cut this off yet, so it's going to get a little messy until you start getting your mesh on there and you can start cutting your ends of your zip ties. Okay, so I did that here. So now that's where I'll end up cinching my deco mesh down. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just making loops all the way around the entire thing. bye.